Hello everybody and welcome to today's session, and in today's session we will discuss about numerical problems based on spherical mirrors. Numerical problems on concave mirror and convex mirror. Okay? Suppose they will ask questions like this. Find the size, nature and position of image formed when an object of size 1 cm is placed at a distance of 15 cm from a concave mirror of focal length 10 cm. First we have to read the question carefully and what is given, and also that is which type of mirror we have to find out first of all. Okay, you can see what they are asking. They are asking to find size. What is the size of the image? And what is the nature of an image? And what is the position of image? These are the three questions they are going to ask you. Of image formed by when an object of size 1 cm. What is the size of the object? Let me write. An object of size 1 cm. Object. Height of the object is given 1 cm. Is placed at a distance of 15 cm from a concave mirror of focal length 10 cm. Is placed at a distance of 15 cm from a concave mirror. What is the mirror here? Which is our concave mirror? This is our concave mirror. When an object of size 1 cm. Let me, this is my object. Object, height of the object is how many centimeter? 1 cm. An object of size 1 cm is placed at a distance of 15 cm from concave mirror. What is the object distance? Object distance is given 15 cm from a concave mirror of focal length is 10 cm. What is the focal length? Whose focal length is 10 cm? Whose focal length is 10 cm. This is our concave mirror. This is our important point. For concave mirror, object is placed in front of the mirror. As we know that for concave mirror, object distance is going to be represented by u. U equal to how many centimeter? Which is placed 15 centimeter from concave mirror. So object distance is 15 centimeter, which is our concave mirror. Concave mirror. For concave mirror, object distance will be negative. Object distance will be negative. According to the sign convention, object distance will be negative. And whose focal length is given? Focal length is given 10 cm. So for concave mirror, focal length is also negative. Okay, now substitute. Now we have to find out the position of image. Where we will get the image? If we place an object at a distance of 15 cm from a concave mirror, where we will get the image? We have to find out position of image. First one is position of an image. Position of image. Let me substitute these values in our mirror formula. What is mirror formula? 1 by f equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. 1 by f equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. 1 by, what is our focal length? F equal to minus 10 is equal to 1 by v. We have to find out v, that is called image distance. We have to find out image distance. V value we have to find out, plus 1 by object distance u is minus 15 centimeter. Right? Now 1 by minus 10. this minus 10 automatically you can write it for numerator, that is minus 1 by 10 equal to 1 by v. You can observe here this minus I can also write it for numerator, then plus into minus 1 by 15. Is it clear? This is minus 10 which is there in the denominator, that I can also write it for numerator. So that's why it becomes minus 1 by 10. Here this minus 15 which is the minus is there in the denominator, I can write it for numerator, plus into minus 1 by 15. Now let me transpose this minus 1 by 15 towards left hand side, that is minus 1 by 10 plus 1 by 15 is equal to 1 by v, is equal to 1 by v. So what you do, now you find out LCM of 10 and 15. Let me write over here. What is the LCM of 10 comma 15? 2 5s are 10, 15. 3 5s are 15. 2 3s are 6. 6 5s are 30. So LCM is how much? LCM is 30. I mean 10 3s are 30. Let me write one step here. Our LCM is 30. 10 3s are 30. I mean into 3. 15 2s are 30. Into 2. So minus 1 into 3. Minus 3. Plus 1 into 2. 2 is equal to 1 by v. Minus 3 plus 2. That is equal to minus 1 by 30 equal to 1 by v. Minus 1 by 30 equal to 1 by v. So actually we want image distance v. Let me do invertendo. Then this will become minus 30 by 1 equal to v by 1. 1 gets cancelled. So what is the image distance? V equal to minus 30. Here what is minus sign indicates? Here minus sign indicate image we got in front of the mirror. Image we got in front of the mirror. I mean, what is the position of image? We are finding first one is position of image. We got image at a distance of 30 centimeter in front of the mirror. That is our position of an image. Here the minus sign indicates we got the image in front of the mirror. We got the image in front of the mirror. And what about the nature? What about the nature of the image? We got in front of the mirror. We got in front of the mirror. So which is a real image. Which is a real image. So nature is, what is our nature? Which is a real image. Real and inverted. Real and inverted. We found what is the position and also nature. Now what we have to find? Now we have to find what is the size of the image. We have to find what is the size of the image. For that we have to find out first of all magnification. What is magnification? Magnification, let me write here. Let me write down magnification. M equal to, we have the formula hi by h naught equal to minus v by u. Hi by h naught equal to minus v by u. So we know that we have to find out height of the image. We have to find out height of the image, but they have given object of size 1 centimeter. Height of the object is given. Height of the object which is given h naught, which is equal to 1 centimeter. Okay, let me substitute these values. So height of the image we have to find hi, and height of the object is given 1 centimeter equal to minus. We got image distance v equal to how many centimeter? Minus 30 centimeter. Already this minus is there. Also v value is minus 30 divided by what is the object distance? distance of 15 centimeter. According to sign convention, object distance is negative for concave mirror. So minus minus gets cancelled. Therefore, HI by 1 equal to 15 table, 15 1 jar, 15 2 jar. That is equal to minus 2. Cross multiplication, HI equal to minus 1 into 2, minus 2. So minus 2 centimeter. What is the height of the image? Height of the image is 2 centimeter. We got the height of the image 2 centimeter. What is here? Minus indicates we got the image below the principal axis. See, we place an object like this, which is 1 centimeter height. We place an object at a distance of 1 centimeter height. Object distance is 15 centimeter. But we got an image at a distance of 30 centimeter from mirror. Somewhere here we got, which is the distance of 30 centimeter from the mirror. Here minus indicate we got the image below the principal axis. And what is the height of the image? Height of the image is 2 centimeter. We placed an object of height 1 centimeter. This is the height of the object HO. And this is the height of the image HI. If you place 1 centimeter object, we got an image 2 centimeter. Okay? In this way, we can find out nature, position and size of the image. Okay? We will discuss few more sums so that we can understand the concept clearly. Let me explain one more question. Okay, let me explain second question, one more question. What is our second one? An object 4 centimeter high is placed 25 centimeter in front of a concave mirror of focal length 15 centimeter. Try to understand the question. What is the object size? This is our object. An object of 4 centimeter height is placed 25 centimeter in front of a concave mirror. Is placed 25 centimeter in front of a concave mirror of focal length is 15 centimeter. What is the focal length? Focal length is 15 centimeter. Try to understand the question. Given, what is given? Given height of the object. Height of the object is given 4 centimeter. And object distance is given 25 centimeter. And focal length is given 15 centimeter. Focal length is given 15 centimeter. Okay? According to the sign convention, which is our concave mirror. For concave mirror, object distance will be negative. And focal length is also negative. Object distance is negative, focal length will be negative. This is given. Now what they are asking, at what distance from the mirror should a screen be placed in order to obtain a sharp image? At what distance? I mean, they are asking to find out what is image distance. At what distance from the mirror should a screen be placed in order to obtain a sharp image? Also, they are asking to find out nature and size of the image. What is the nature of the image and what is the size of the image? So first of all, we will find out what is the position where we should place a screen so that to obtain a sharp image. Right? Let me substitute these values in mirror formula. We have the formula 1 by f equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. So focal length is minus 15 equal to 1 by v plus 1 by object distance is minus 25. Okay, this I can write as minus 1 by 15. So this plus into minus 1 by 25. Now let me transpose minus 1 by 15. This minus 1 by 25 transpose this side, it will become plus 1 by 25 equal to 1 by V. What is the LCM of 15 and 25? Let me find out. 5 table, 5 3s are, 5 5s are, 5 1s are, 3 1s are. 5 5s are 25, 25 3s are 75. LCM is how much? Our LCM is 75. Now 15 table, 15 5s are 75 into 5 into 5. 25 table, 25 3s are into 3 into 3. So minus 1 into 5, minus 5 plus 1 into 3, 3 equal to 1 by V. So minus 5 plus 3, minus 2 by 75 equal to 1 by V. Let me invert and do. This will become minus 75 by 2 equal to V by 1. V by 1. So 75 by 2. 75 divided by 2, 2 3s are 6, 1 5, 2 7s are 14, 1.0, 2 5s are 10. So we got minus 37.5 equal to V. I mean, where we have to place a screen? We have to place a screen in front of the mirror at a distance of 37.5 centimeter. What is the minus sign here? Minus sign indicate we have to place screen should be in front of the mirror. At what distance? At a distance of 37.5 centimeter. At a distance of 37.5 centimeter in front of the mirror. Okay, that's what first question. Our first question, at what distance? At a distance of 37.5 centimeter from mirror, in front of the mirror. That is minus indicates. Also they are asking to find out what is the nature and what is the size. What is the nature of the image? We got an image in front of the mirror. So nature of image is what? Which is a real image, real and inverted image. Our nature of the image is real and inverted image. Real and inverted image. Now what we have to find? We have to find out what is the size of the image. What is the size of the image? We have the formula magnification m equal to hi by h naught equal to minus v by u. You have to remember this formula. For calculating numericals, it will be very helpful. hi by h naught equal to minus v by u. As given, object 4 cm height. So we don't know what is the height of the image. hi and height of the object is 4 cm equal to minus, we got the v value minus 37.5 by, what is the value of u? U is given minus 25. So minus minus gets cancelled. Cross multiplication. hi equal to minus 37.5 into 4 by 25. Let me multiply. 37.5 into 4. 4 5s are 20. 4 7s are 28 plus 2 30. 4 3s are 12 plus 4 3s are 12 plus 3 50. I mean how much? 150. hi equal to minus 150 divided by 25. 25 1s are 25 6s are. So hi equal to how many centimeter? Minus 6 centimeter. So what is the height of the image? Height of the image is 6 centimeter. What is the minus sign here? Here minus sign indicate we got the image below the principal axis. See, this is above the principal axis, which is plus 4 centimeter. So here we got minus. Minus is nothing but we got an image below the principal axis, and whose height is how many centimeter? Minus 6 centimeter. What is the height? Don't write minus here. Height of the image is 6 centimeter. Minus sign indicates below the principal axis. Here also the minus sign indicate we got an image in front of the mirror, that is real image, real and virtual image. Clear? This is our second question based on concave mirror. Let me explain one more question so that this concept will be more clear, right? Okay, our third question is an object 2 centimeter height. What is the height of the object? An object 2 centimeter height is placed at a distance of 16 centimeter from a concave mirror which produces a real image 3 centimeter height. You try to understand the question. What is given? Object height of the object is given. Height of the object is, this is our object which is 2 centimeter. An object 2 centimeter high is placed at a distance of 16 centimeter. At a distance of 16 centimeter from a concave mirror which produce a real image 3 centimeter height. Which produce a real image. Which produce a real image of 3 centimeter height. Means here they have given height of the image is given. What is given? Height of the image which is given 3 centimeter, and they said which is a real image. Real image. Real image means which we get in front of the mirror. Which we get in front of the mirror. So height of the image is how much? Minus 3 centimeter. So that's what we have to understand the question properly. Concave mirror which produce a real image. Real image 3 centimeter height. So height of the image is how much? 3 centimeter, which is real image. That's why HI equal to, according to sign convention, HI equal to minus 3 centimeter. And what is given more? Height of the object is given. Height of the object is given 2 centimeter, which is placed at a distance of 16 centimeter from a concave mirror. So object distance also minus 16 centimeter. This is given. And they are asking to find out what is the focal length of the mirror. What is the focal length of the mirror? That is first question. And second question is find the position of image. Find the position of image. Okay. First let us find out position of image. Position of image. According to using magnification, we have the formula Hi by H naught equal to minus V by U. Okay, for finding position of image, where we will get the image? We can use the formula Hi by H naught equal to minus V by U. Height of the image is minus 3 centimeter and height of the object is 2 centimeter equal to minus V by object distance is how much? Minus 16. So minus minus gets cancelled. So cross multiplication, here 16 is dividing, that means transpose this side, it will multiply into 16 equal to V. Into 16, 2 table, 2 1 jar, 2 8 jar, minus 3 into 8, 3 8 jar, 24 centimeters. So what is the image distance? Image distance is minus 24 centimeter. Minus 24 centimeter. I mean, we got, where is the position of image? It is in front of the mirror. At a distance of how many centimeter? At a distance of 24 centimeter. And which is the real image? What is the height of the image? Height of the image is minus 3 centimeter. Height of the object is 2 centimeter. Object be placed at a distance of 16 centimeter from the mirror. And we got the image at a distance of 24 centimeter from the mirror, which is a real image. Real image. Magnification is minus 3. Magnification minus indicates what? Which is below the principal axis. Below the principal axis. We got the position at a distance of 24 centimeter from the mirror. Now second question. First question is what? What is the focal length? Let me substitute these values in mirror formula. We have the formula 1 by F equal to 1 by V plus 1 by U. 1 by F equal to minus 24 equal to 1 by, so not F equal to, we have to find out F only, sorry. They are asking to find out F value. 1 by F equal to, V equal to how many centimeter? We got minus 24 plus 1 by U equal to how much? Minus 16 centimeter. I mean 1 by F equal to, I can can write it as minus 1 by 24 plus into minus minus 1 by 16. What is the LCM of 16 comma 24? Let me go with 4 table. 4 4 ja, 4 6 ja, 2 2 ja, 2 3 ja, 2 1 ja, 3 table. 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 16 3 ja 48. So LCM is 48. 24 2 ja 48 into 2 into 2. 16 3 ja 48 into 3 into 3. Minus 1 into 2 minus 2, minus 1 into 3 minus 3. So minus 2 minus 3, that is equal to minus 5 by 48. Therefore f by 1 equal to minus 48 divided by 5. Let me divide 48 divided by 5. 5 9 ja 45. 5 9 ja 45. 3.056 ja 13. So that is equal to how much? Focal length equal to minus 9.6 centimeter. Okay, they are asking to find out what is its focal length. We got focal length f equal to how many centimeters? Minus 9.6 centimeter. Got it? What they are asking, what is given, you have to see first of all, and what they are asking to, we have to find out. The thing is, we have to understand sign convention. For concave mirror, object distance will be negative, focal length will be also negative. These 2 points, keep it in mind, right? I hope you understood today's session, the numerical problems based on concave mirror. In the next session, let me explain numerical problems based on convex mirror. Okay, thank you.